Installing new windows in your home can elevate its look, improve energy efficiency, and increase property value. However, if not done correctly, window installation can be a stressful experience. Whether you're considering replacing old windows or installing new ones, here's a guide to help you navigate the window installation process in Sanford with ease. Understand why you need new windows before diving into the installation process. Clarify why you're upgrading. Do your windows struggle with drafts, moisture, or poor insulation? Or are you looking for a fresh look that enhances your home's curb appeal? Sanford's climate, with its humid summers and occasional cold snaps, can wear down windows over time. Recognizing your goals, whether for comfort, energy savings, or aesthetics, will help you choose the right windows and guide your discussions with contractors. Choose the right window type. Sanford offers a range of styles suited to different architectural aesthetics and functional needs. Here are some popular options. Double-hung windows. These windows slide up and down and offer great ventilation options. They are versatile, easy to clean, and work well in traditional homes. Casement windows. Known for their hinged design, casement windows open outward, providing unobstructed views and enhanced airflow. Slider windows. Ideal for wide horizontal openings, slider windows are easy to operate and give a modern look to the home. Picture windows. Perfect for letting in light without ventilation. These are ideal for rooms where a wide view is more important than airflow. Choosing windows that suit your home's style and Sanford's climate will ensure longevity and satisfaction with your investment. Plan your installation timeline. Sanford's warm climate allows for window installation year-round, but certain months may be more convenient. Spring and fall often offer milder weather, making these seasons ideal for window installation. Additionally, some contractors may offer off-season discounts in less busy months, so consider timing your installation to maximize savings. Research and choose a trusted window installer. One of the most crucial steps in the process is selecting a reputable contractor. Look for licensed and insured installers in the Sanford area who specialize in window installations. Check online reviews, ask for referrals, and review past projects. A reputable installer will be transparent about costs, timelines, and warranties. They should also provide a detailed estimate and answer any questions you may have about the installation process. Prepare your home for installation day. To make the installation process smooth, prepare your home ahead of time. Clear the area. Move any furniture, curtains, and decorations near your windows. Contractors need adequate space to work, and clearing the area also protects your belongings. Cover floors and furniture. Window installations can generate dust, so covering floors and nearby furniture helps keep your space clean. Create an access point. Make sure there's a clear path from the door to each window to facilitate the installer's movement. Remove security sensors. If you have any window security systems, be sure to deactivate them temporarily to avoid disruption. Understand the installation process. Knowing what to expect during installation will help you feel more comfortable. Here's a brief overview of the steps involved. Removal of old windows. The contractor carefully removes the old windows and checks for any damage to the window frames. This step may include repairs to ensure the new windows fit securely. Prepping the frame. Installers will inspect and prepare the window frame, ensuring it's clean and level for a perfect fit. Installing new windows. The new window is fitted into the opening, leveled, and secured. Proper insulation is added around the frame to prevent drafts. Sealing and finishing. The installer will apply a high-quality sealant around the window to protect it from moisture and air leaks. Any trims or finishes are added to complete the look. Cleanup and inspection. After installation, the contractor will clean the area and conduct a final inspection, ensuring everything operates smoothly and meets your expectations. Perform a final inspection with the installer. Once the windows are installed, walk through the house with the installer to inspect each window. Check for smooth operation, proper seals, and ensure there are no gaps. Confirm that all debris has been cleared, and ask any final questions about maintenance and warranties. Enjoy the benefits of your new windows. Once your new windows are installed, you can start enjoying their benefits immediately. In Sanford's climate, high-quality, properly installed windows can make a noticeable difference in indoor comfort and energy savings. Remember to regularly clean and maintain your windows to extend their lifespan and keep them looking like new. Final thoughts: window installation doesn't have to be overwhelming. By planning ahead, choosing quality materials, and working with a trusted installer, you can ensure a smooth process and achieve a result you'll love. Upgrading your windows is an investment that will pay off for years, adding value, style, and comfort to your Sanford home.